Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and get the cute BB shirts in Berry Avenue. So if you're looking for the adorable BB shirts in Berry Avenue, in this tutorial I'll show you exactly where to find them and how you can style them for the perfect trendy look. So of course, if you want to find it, you can just go to avatar to customize your outfits. Here, click on the shirt category, the second here, and search for BB in the keyword. And once you do that, there are lots of BB shirts that you can apply. Here, for example, this one right here. You can always try on another one if you think it doesn't suit you or you doesn't like it. You don't like it, you can just choose which one that you think fits with you. Okay, for example, I'm going to just use this one. You can combine it with pants or shirt that you want. Here I'm going to just go with some pants. Let's just find, for example, this one's right here. Okay, I think I like with this one. You can also combine with another one done. And this is the BB shirt for you. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, or click on thanks. Bye.